That's a good delivery, edge and in to the hands of the first slip. Poking at this one. And the first wicket goes down. What a comeback delivery this is.
They are having the spot they have chosen. This time he finds the gap and he plays this nicely. And that's gone through for the point fielder. This will go to the fence for 4 runs. First boundary comes in for Puri Warriors. And the Kamsa is the happy man to get already. Delivery, shaping in, asking question to the umpire. And umpire says yes, up goes the finger. Second wicket goes down. It was the better of China. Comes a look at the celebration. I won't speak too much, but my performance will tell you all this story.
The Cobras swinging in. Umpire took his time, gave the thought to his mind.
Oh, this time it is literally hasn't got the nick. Hasn't got the nick. Absolutely. Now the wicket goes down. And look at the celebration. I love the celebration. Hustling all the batters of Puri Warriors. Look at that play away from the body. That is all because of pressure. That's
into second over. Went and cut away from the top class player Pawan. He's not going to miss out on those loose deliveries. What a shot that is off the back foot.
On him. And this time he goes for big. And he will get plenty of this. What a shot that is. Fast delivery he's found in his arc. And he says thank you very much. And what a lovely lofted. Oh, that's a slow one. Picked it up nicely into the gap. That was in the air, but doesn't matter. A couple of bounces over the fence. And good start for Puri Warriors of this over. First ball and that went for boundary.
Slow delivery. Good thinking, but the placement was amazing. If you are a master of swinging and bowling, though.
Inviting by the opposition to bat first. And this time he tried to go over mid-wicket region. Oh, he didn't time it well along the carpet. But the result he was expecting, he got the same. That's gone for the boundary too. Batsman has done a real thing there. Claim them out. Should I play or should I leave? That was the quicker one.
Said it. Thank you very much for being out in the middle for so long.
That on. The batting we always talk about today. That's only a bowling and that into the action. And Chandan got his first wicket. And Pawan has been a fantastic wicket.
Pawan finding the edge. And the wicket keeper, captain, it's time. He was excited. He was jubilant. Because that's a beat.
Quickly. Once again shaping in this time outside away and he cut away nicely. That's gone through for 4 runs. And this will definitely boost his confidence. Some sigh of relief for both the batsmen and the dugout as well.
Outside edge. There was no slip. If the wicketkeeper would have became a Superman, he would have taken this catch.
Vets. And they slashed it hard. No chance for the deep third. And this will go all the way for 4 runs. Some sigh of relief and the partnership is doing good now.
Oh, good delivery. Big shout. We were just talking about how well this partnership is going on.
As you can see closely. Oh, yes. He played it little earlier. That was a late swing. That was a late movement. Has just struck a better and created element in his mind. He played that shot little early. Until the ball comes, looking good. But beauty of Aman. Oh, this time he lost in the air. And he plays into the gap. He will get a boundary to the deep point area for 4 runs. Little bit of an offer by Aman. And he picked it up nicely into the gap for 4. That's gone down.
It could be an easy decision. Very easy decision. He shuffled on the offside.
He knew that a 6 wicket has already been down. This time he plumped in front of the middle stone. There was a quicker one, straighter line. A stock delivery from him. He didn't turn too much. Oh, he read that beautifully and he hits that one as well. Inside out over cover for 4 runs. That was a slow one. He picked the length very early. Gets into the position to play for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He goes up pitch again. What was the connection? The connection is good. Well, give something to cheer about. That's a lovely 6 lofted over extra cover reason for 6 runs. And after a long
amazing shot. Gets onto the front foot.
Rahul Dravid versus Anil Kumble. Yes, he goes up pitch again. Look at the connection. And the connection, he played into the perfection for 6. Second 6 of the over. And he's playing his natural game. Doesn't matter. Kumar Bhargava gets down. There would have been a very good recovery. This time he played slug sweep. Into the hands again, the commentator curse. I was talking about this partnership was going well. Anna again, the same man who just...
Look at that catch over there, quite easy, straight into the hands of the fielder. Didn't need it to move an inch. Batter is disappointed with himself that he couldn't get this one all the way.
Oh, taken on the full. Deep point fielder can't do anything about that. What a beginning for this over. What a start for this over.
Goes down the ground, mid-off is up, and it's going to go all the way for 6 runs. The moment you bowl full, he goes hard down the ground. Good batting, good hand from Shearer.
6 runs, looking for the Yorker, and he was well behind side the crease, the ease of the crease, but absolutely fantastic to Shearer now. Down the wicket he goes, and this time he missed everything, and good work behind the stumps by the wicket keeper. Wicket number 9 goes down, and that's actually and a good sigh of relief for men in pink. Easy chance for the stumping of the wicket keeper. He was jumped out pretty early, I would say.
Down to the third man of midfield, and the race will be won by the ball to give 4 runs to Pari Warriors to take them to 136 in 20 overs. With
by the low down the order, especially Kumar Bhargava and of course Shearer, who played brilliantly low down the order. Overs he bowled 15 plus 3, recording rate 3.75, magical bowling figure for him. Chandan bowled 4, he got 1, and of course Aman and Amarjeet shared 1 wicket.
First ball driven solidly from the left-hander, straight to that short cover fielder for no runs. Oh, good shot, what a shot! Slashed hard. He goes for that one, connects well, gets a boundary of a cut shot.
38 on the board, not too many runs. Oh, this time in the air. That's up in the air. Someone, no one can take this because that's going to fly into the sky over long on boundary for 6 runs. And that was into his arc, and he plays it beautifully. Stuck firmly for 6 and first 6 for my Delia with the ball. This time good looking shot. Along the carpet. Along the carpet, absolutely magnificent.
Yeah, but he bowled that in swinger to him, which has been flicked away by Maipal rather than swinging it away from him. Into the surface, slow ball, cut away. He's so good in cutting the ball. You cannot give him width. Amazing batting, superb batting. He's really...
Slow run, wrapped onto the bat, asking questions to umpire, and he's given him out, and he's given him... Oh, lovely ball again, through the right channel. Oh, he found the gap here. Boundary, what a lovely timing. Just a touch and to give flight in the air. Just look at this. Oh, yes, he accepts this invitation, and hits it for a long way for 6 runs into the crowd, and once again with the bat of Maipal, he is looking solid.
Short ball, pulled away. Has this gone all the way? What is going to be the signal? It's 4 runs.
Oh, slightly short, quicker one. Looking for the single. Tight one. Tight one. Has he made his ground? Has he made his ground? And he's going to the third umpire, but I think then this angle will give us a conclusive evidence. A brilliant throw, and he is not even the picture. Oh my goodness, not even the picture. The veils are off. The veils are off. He was too far away. Too behind that crease mark. You can.
Long on region. What a shot. Fielder gave it his best effort, but he stayed. Respectively from Bhargav's over. Comes down the track. Delightful shot through the offside. Abhimanyu getting into the act now. Was another amazing player. Inside out, but away from the fielder.
All goes up edge, top edge, and the damage is done. They were looking for this wicket, and that leading edge provide that wicket. And once again, wind helps bowler to get this. Yeah, slow in the air. He was looking to hit over cover. He got this time a chance. Yes, I was exactly talking about. He should get 1 more wicket, and I think Chachi Neri has heard me that. Yes, thank you, Dharmendra. I will do exactly this.
Wicket coming down, looking to go big. Kama couldn't stay calm, and good work by the wicket-keeper.
Attack badly, and he flicked away nicely. Oh, just went like a bullet for 4 runs. Abhimanyu, none other than, and that's the benefit you have when you spend some time under the pressure situation. Oh, that's a good looking shot down the ground in the air. Chance for the long on fielder, and that is against the wind. Once again, shot selection with the wind or against the wind was the discussion earlier.
Yes, once again, the wind being the real reason why that ball didn't travel the Cobra batters. That's in the air. It doesn't have the legs. It will find the fielder, Roshan, who comes.
Look at that. High up in the sky. That was the Yorker one he was looking for. Didn't find the slot. Play away from the body, two off the bat. High up in the sky and very well taken under pressure. And that is Roshan one.
He's lofted this one in the air. No, he's made a mistake. I think no, it's a fielder who has made the mistake by coming in too much. And will it be a 6 or a 4? We'll get the shuffling on the offside. Goes down the ground. How far? Oh no! What have you done? You should have stopped this one. And that game is over with that boundary. Maipal gave them a fine start. He got 38 of 26 balls. Captain got 24 runs. Abhimanyu got important 28 runs. But Amarjeet's 19 was a cruise scenario. He picked up 2 wickets for 15 and 2 wickets for Nich Nima, where he picked up 2 wickets for 19. Suhail picked up 1 wicket for 30. That scorecard, batted first in 20 overs, got to 136 with a loss of 9 wickets. Shera really played a good hand along with Bhargava, where Shera got 33.